all day long. I'm running short on air. 100 liters of adrenaline keeps me going faster, faster now. But if I stop here, I'll be fine, right? I think I'll be okay. If I look out at this new town and see my whole future's now surrounding me. The new day has come and I think that my future is close to me. Can I escape this circle and find the true me? I'll take one step, then two steps, I'm getting the hang of this. I think I can move on. There's nothing to hold me back. I've now found the right path. I have now broken from the circle and I have found